Hi, you can see here this is the combination of pink and green. I mean, like it goes on all pinks, greens, and even also black, white also. In whatever color you wear, it goes very well. It's a very chic color and it suits to all skin tones, and it's also eco-friendly because it's purely made up of clay here, and it is baked and then painted and then finished. It has a long process to make it, but it looks so beautiful. If you want to stand unique, you just prefer, I mean, like these kind of jewelry. This is a trendy kind of jewelry. And next, here we can go is, this is a choker. This is also a heavy kind of choker with all Kerala Kathakali motifs. You can see here all the faces here, I mean, like portraits, all the portraits. It also goes outstandingly very well on all the attires. I mean, like on saris, cotton long frocks, kalankari prints especially, it goes very well. Now it's a modern kind of chain here. This is a long chain. It also looks very beautiful. It goes very well on all dark colors or light colors. It's like you can wear it on jeans, t-shirts, and even on chudidars also you can wear. And this is one more kind of long chain I have here. This is beautifully colored with rose gold color. This is a very beautiful color. It goes very brilliant in daylight as well as in dark light also. I mean, like all the colors here I've given is very well suit on day and dark light. I mean, see how nicely the color is finished here. I mean, like without any strains or blemishes here. This is a rose gold kind of color, and here and this is also a combination of gold and silver kind here. This is also a very nice collection. If you can have, it would be very supportive to your long frocks, I mean long dresses, long kurtis, to go chic. And this is a kind of daily wear jhumka with indigo and light bright orange and maroon bordering here. I've given gold combination for these gungrus. And this is also one of the good pieces. I mean, like this is kind of a teal green, and just you can see the stone quality here. This is dark green in color. I've given all the green combinations here, like light green, dark green, and also with a very dark silver tone here, metallic green. So it goes on all greens, whites, blacks, on whatever color you can wear, it goes very well. This is also like I've given like metallic black here with few stones studded, ruby pink, and also some blackish green kind of stones here. This is also a very, I mean, like a unique piece you can see here. This is a very simple and daily wear purpose use. Maroonish gold here I've given with brown. Thank you.